Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to smash that like button, come join the Crypto ZX army. But now let's get right into today's topic, which you can tell by the title of the video, which is regarding Solana. If we're looking across the market, you guys can see over the last 1 hour, a little bit of mild red across the board, but the majority of the market momentum is really bullish. So let's waste no more time and get right into Solana's update and see what is happening with the price of Solana and what are some next price targets we could be aiming in the upcoming day or so. If you guys like these kind of videos that I'm making for you guys, you know what to do. Do not forget to come join the Crypto ZX army by subscribing, liking, and yeah, you know the drill. So now if we're looking at the price of Solana, $24.40, down about 2.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But now, wow. Solana is going down. Solana is dumping. Was that it? Settle down. We need to relax. Let's take a deep breath. I know we're going to hear those comments, so I'm just trying to get those comments out of the way. But if we're looking at the market cap, guys, remember the market cap is holding very strong at that $9.57 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $523 million. So obviously the overall volume over the past few days has decreased a little bit, but that is nothing to worry about. I really do see that number increasing as we go towards the upside. And remember right now, just so you guys know, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price, and BTC dominance this time around, you guys can see this for yourself, is starting to little bit move towards the upside, and that is causing altcoins to go down. If you look at the markets at the beginning of the video, as I showed you guys, we're seeing a mild red across the board, and that's the main reason as to what we're seeing that happen. But now if we're looking at the Solana price, you guys know, before I get into that, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the price of Solana, $24.39, and this project, you guys can see how strong we are holding within this range. Let's go on the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame gives us a better understanding how good Solana is holding. We did hit $26 just 2 days ago. Yeah, it was not a yearly high, but this is exactly what we want to be seeing right now happening for Solana. This is one of the best looking charts, and I've been telling you guys this. Massive level of resistance, guys. You guys cannot underestimate the amount of resistance that is coming around this $27 mark. If we clear that range, I've said this to you guys before, the next main price target that I would be aiming for is $40 per Solana. And if you guys want to put that into better perspective, let's look at it. So you guys can see that is still a move of about 59%. And what I'm liking about Solana is, we're starting to see gradual, nice moves towards the upside. And, these kind of green candles, I really do believe can happen. I really believe we're about to see a green candle like this if we break out of that resistance I'm talking about and go up to this $40 range and maybe consolidate it within that range. So, I always try telling my viewers, hey, ask yourself this, again, this is only for the people that love Solana and you've done your due diligence. You're actually a supporter of Solana. So let's say you are a supporter of Solana, okay? And you believe you have some money on the side that you are willing to invest, that you are okay to lose. And let's say you want to invest. Would you be looking to pick it up at $40 or you want to pick it up at $24? I'm sure everyone would want to do the second option, which would be to pick it up right now. That is obviously no rocket science. Everyone would want to do that. But obviously people are going to say, Solana is going to possibly go down to $19. Is that a chance? Again, that definitely could happen. Bitcoin could see a retracement back down to 28,000, which again is very much overdue and would be totally fine. Would be totally fine if Bitcoin were to even go down to the 61.8. Yes, below the support, I'm totally fine with that because Bitcoin deserves a cool off. And, obviously if Bitcoin dominance remains a little high, that could cause altcoins to take a little bit of a breather. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, let's say, Bitcoin were to drop back down to 27,000, which is a 8% move. And generally speaking, altcoins get hit, maybe a little harder. And, so far the momentum for Solana is holding better than most of the altcoins. So let's say Solana were to drop about 10%. So we would be looking at, let's just say around 20 bucks. So is that a big difference? What I would be looking at right now if I was analyzing the charts is that look at the power. So what I do is I examine the strength. What are the likelihood that this coin can dump really hard? Since the beginning of the year, guys, we've seen Solana hold above this level of resistance except this one time. And even then, it was bought back up very quickly because Bitcoin did see a massive cool off happen. But despite that fact, look at this bullish momentum, this beautiful consolidation phase. Doesn't matter if you dollar cost averaging around 20 bucks, 24 bucks, it doesn't make a difference in my personal opinion. That's why it's called dollar cost averaging. But, the difference between $40 and $24 is quite massive. So this is why it's good to be accumulating right now before things start getting insane. And these things are getting insane. The chart is speaking for itself. And I am not, even doubting the fact that Solana is going to make a massive comeback. And a lot of people are going to be shocked about that. And, 2024, in my personal opinion, is going to be huge for Solana. So, like I said, clock is ticking, and that does not mean that $40 is going to come in 2024. I see $40 coming very, very soon. We're looking like it's going to have a breakout sooner rather than later now. And a lot of people are agreeing with me on this. But as I said, we do need to examine the price of Bitcoin. But nonetheless, this is a great opportunity to be dollar cost averaging in. And there's a famous saying: be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that are being greedy right now, picking up while there's still a lot, quite a bit of uncertainty, to be quite frank with you guys, are the ones that are going to make it in the long haul. But as I say that, remember, don't put everything in one coin. Diversify your portfolio. That's the best way to maximize your growth potential and also minimize your losses. But that is it for today's update. Love each and every one of you guys. Continue supporting me. You guys have been killing it with the support. Love each and every one of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.